Today is the day 26th of our exam work hour. So we've crossed the boundary of the first part of our classes. Now we are moving to the next period, our which is the day 26th of what? Of our exam work hour. So in case you are just joining us, my name is Koyo ACG. I'm a data analyst. I'm also a data analysis instructor. So I train people on how to use Microsoft tools and how to use them in how to apply them to solve real life problems. And also, I'm a data analyst. I help business bring out insight from their data. So, in case you're just joining us, once again, welcome to our channel. Now, this is day 26 of a journey we've embarked on since August 1st, which we tagged ExcelWorkHour, which we have been learning different Excel functions and formulas and some other things and some other Excel tools we can use to maximize our daily activities, help in solving some problems, help in automating some things that require us to spend a lot of time on. Now, so in today's class, we're going to be learning a new function called REPT function. What do I call it? REPT function. What is the work of this function? It has just it is used for a purpose. So the purpose is just for us to repeat any text we give to it in a multiple time, like in yes, in a multiple time. So the times we are going to be doing to specify it. Let's assume I just want to have something like what? Okay, first let me show you something here. So I have HG here now. If you want to repeat this word 5 times, I can just say equals to rept. Then this is my text abi, comma, this comma, then I will say what? 4 times. You can see it now. So in this case now what I want to use for it is for pipe. I want to use what? Like I want to use it for a pipe. So it will look at what? I'm having what? A bar chart in my Excel. So how will I do that? I will just come in like this. So this pipe, this is what I want to use exactly. So first I will say equals to reps like this. Then I will say what? Click on my pipe. So in case you want to locate this pipe, I don't know, it depends on the keyboard. But on my own keyboard, I have it on what? In between my backspace and what? And enter. In between my backspace and what? Enter key. So we are going to see that that is where it is on my system. So the system might it depends on where it is. So like this, then I will click on this. Now let's see if this is going to work. It's doing an error. Why? Why is it doing an error? Is it because I did not type this number of times? No, it is not because of that. I've told you from our previous classes, whenever we are using a function or a formula, so any text you are entering, if you are typing anything, in as much as we are not referencing a cell, if you are typing, it must be what quoted. Exactly like this, then you say enter. So can you see it now? Let me come in and what use my double. You can see it. Now let me change this one to 7 now. You see. You can see it. Let me change this one to let me see what 13. You can see it. So these are what our REPT function works. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in our class tomorrow. Once again, please if you know you are just watching us for the first time, please do make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your colleagues. Thank you very much. Bye.